Says the table above lists the lengths to the nearest inch of a random sample of 21 brown bullhead fish. The outlier measurement of 24 inches is an error. Okay, so I'm gonna just focus on that. Of the mean, median, and range of the values listed, which will change the most if the 24-inch measurement is removed from the data? Okay. Do you have an idea? Just to start off with, we're gonna start by just what are each of the terms? What's the mean?
I don't know.
The mean is the average. How would we get the mean? Just like what we just did.
Divide the total
Yep.
inches of the fish
Mm-hmm.
to get the average.
So add them up, add all the inches, and then divide it by the number of fish, right? How do you get the median?
The thing in the middle that separates it.
That's it. So if you think about like data as like a road, okay, starting from least to greatest, all right, your median is right in that center of that road.
What the number is split in half.
Exactly. So what would be the median in this case, right? Well, I'll just go ahead and take, we'll say this is the low side of the road and this is the high side of the road, so I can already go into the middle of there, right? Then I count up 3 from the lowest, down 3 from the highest, so my median is probably going to be 12, right? But if I remove 24, will it change that much?
No.
No, it's probably going to be maybe at this 12 or in between these two, but it'd still be 12, right? So median's not going to change that much for me taking out the outlier. What about the range, the mean versus the range? What do you think will change more? You know what the range is? The range is going to be the highest minus the lowest. Is there going to be a big change if you take out the highest? It would change by how much?
24.
24, and then it would drop down to what? If you took this out, what would be the next highest then?
16.
Exactly. So there'd be a change of 8 if you were to just take out that 24. The mean, how much do you think that would change? You can tell the change of a mean if you think about how many total there are. There in this case is 7 times 3, so there's 21, right? And if I took out what the value of that would be, which is the additional 8, or pretty much 24, I'd have 24 divided by 21 would be my change, right? So it'd be about 1 point something.
So the mean?
So what would change more? This range, which would change 8, or the mean, which would probably change about 1?
The range.
The range. All right. So our final answer is
C.
Yep.
For more practice problems and tips, follow us at enlightentutoring.com.